guys, my name is Ryan and welcome to my channel OMG MOTO. Today I'm doing an install on this ProBEAM LED low profile taillight by Custom Dynamics. So let's get to it. Okay, so right now I have this smoke taillight that's currently on here and I'm going to replace it with a red one. There are a couple of different reasons I'm replacing this. One of the things is I love the smoke. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it looks. It makes my bike look sleek. This is a low profile one itself. But the thing that I noticed from this side view right here. So I'll show you what I mean in a second. This section right here on this current one, it's solid right here. So the light is only coming through the back portion of this tail light. So this is what I'm talking about right here. If you look on the side, that's all you're getting right there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to remove this screw right here and this screw right here, and I won't bore you with those details. Inside it comes with the tail light, 2 nylon washers, and a rubber seal. It also comes with ProBEAM Custom Dynamics installation guide. But if you're a man, you don't need those. So these installation instructions say, number 1, remove stock tail light by removing 2 Phillips head screws. Save for use with your new LED tail light. Don't throw away your stock screws. Okay, number 2, unplug the amp connector. We did that from the terminal block at the tail light base. That was the little white thing. We did that. Number 3, make sure your ProBEAM tail light base is clean and free of debris. You guys saw me do that as well. Remove the white paper from the back of the gasket. Apply the gasket to the new ProBEAM LED tail light assembly. So let's do that. Looks like it's going to be this side down. Put the terminal block through. Line it up. Okay, looks like it's good. Let's remove the backing. Okay, everything looks like it's lined up well. Okay, before we connect this, I'm going to take these 2 screws, these stock screws, put the nylon washers on, get those ready. One on each side right here. So this connector, it looks like it's going to go, the little connection piece right here is going to face down. We'll put it in. It's in. Let's test it out real quick. All right, so the light's on. Kai push the brake, let off of it, push it again. All right, looks good. One more time. Good deal, okay. So I pushed the screw through right here and I watched it go into the hole. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome. You're doing it.
Tighten it down a little bit. That's my old one. I'm just going to keep it there for now. I might sell it. I might put it back on later. I don't know. Okay, let's put the second screw in. I'm going to do it the same way I'm going to guide it. I'm going to watch it on this side over here. See, I just need to make sure this hole matches up. So that hole matches up right there now. I'm going to guide it in same way through the tail light first. I've got to push this down just a hair, make sure it matches up. It's matching up. Screw it in. Go back to the other side, tighten it down. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth a couple of times. Now it says do not over tighten them, so I'm just going to get it to where they both feel snug, and that one's real snug on the right side. Let's pull this off. This one's real snug on this side. Alright guys, that's it. Let's turn it on. See how it looks installed. Okay, so this is the running mode right here. Go ahead and press the brake, Kai. All right, that's the brake mode. So check this out as well. I've got a lot more light on this side right here. Press the brake for me again. There you go. Thank you, sir. It looks good. All right, guys, quick installation of the ProBEAM LED low profile tail light from Custom Dynamics. I picked this up from Moonshine Harley Davidson right here in Franklin, Tennessee. My man Nick up at Parts, he helped me out with it. Guys, if I can do this, I promise you can do this. I'm not extremely mechanically inclined. Hopefully this will keep me a little bit safer on the road with a little bit brighter tail light. Guys, if you have not already, please click that like button. Please consider subscribing and becoming a part of the OMG Nation. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hey guys, my name is Ryan and welcome to my channel, OMG MOTO. Today I'm going to do an install on this I almost dropped it. Try it again. Hey guys, my name is Ryan and welcome to my channel, OMG MOTO. Today I'm going to... Okay, good.
Okay, guys. Most second job was that, so guys, I missed. So I see you on the next episode. I see you later. Goodbye. I messed up. Okay. I see you next on the episode. Let me try again. So, I see you on the next episode. I see you. Goodbye.
I love it.
I missed.
Okay. You messed up? Okay, we'll do it again.
I see you next time, guys. I see you. Goodbye.
Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.